Hello, dear parents. Baguio Multicultural Institute welcomes you this school year 2021 to 2022. This video will help you understand the guidelines for your child's home-based learning. Here at Baguio Multicultural Institute, we believe that home-centered learning is more effective when parents and child work together to learn concepts and acquire skills and proper attitude. Parents and teachers should communicate about the learner's progress. It is expected that parents will assist their child or children in learning the discussions in the materials given and in accomplishing the tasks required for each week. This school year, the school offers synchronous teaching and learning. The synchronous program will include activities taken from modules and video lessons that will be posted through Google Classrooms and scheduled online classes. Submission of outputs is specified by the subject teachers in the modules. Modules will be posted quarterly or weekly through the Google Classrooms for each subject. No textbooks will be used for all subjects this school year, hence, modules will contain detailed discussions about the topic for both major and minor subjects. Written activities and performance tasks to be done are given at the end of the discussion to evaluate the learning of the student. Modules for the specified week are to be submitted on scheduled date given by the teacher. Video lessons are enhancement materials provided to help learners understand the discussion in the module. It contains a video of the teacher explaining contents in the module such as lesson discussion and examples that may be difficult for the learner to understand. They are to be studied along with the module sent. Parents are encouraged to watch the video lessons with their child or children to make home study more effective. Video lessons will be posted in the Google Classroom per week. Online classes are scheduled to allow teacher-student interaction with varying length of time depending on the grade level. Grades 2 to 6 will have 30 minutes of Zoom class per subject. Zoom class for minor subjects are scheduled once a week, while Zoom classes for major subjects are scheduled twice a week. Grades 7 to 8 have 40 minutes Zoom class per subject. Zoom class for minor subjects are scheduled once a week, while Zoom classes for major subjects are scheduled twice a week. Online classes will serve as an avenue for the teacher to follow up on the learner's experience in studying the content of module and video lesson. The teacher will also conduct assessment exercises through question and answer to check for understanding. It is also a time for learners to ask questions and make clarification about the discussion of the topic and to report difficulties encountered during their completion of required activities. Weight of percentage in the grading system is placed on the written activities taken from the modules and from performance tasks submitted each week, as well as the activities given during online classes. Slow and unstable internet connection on the part of the student, causing him to be disconnected during the online class, will not be taken against the learner. However, it is the parent's responsibility to ensure that disconnection does not happen very often so as to maximize the learner's participation in the online class. Submission of written outputs and performance tasks is a must as grades will be computed following the percentages provided by DepEd for each subject. Missed activities can greatly affect the final computation of grades. Performance tasks are limited to only 2 per subject per quarter and are scheduled in each week. AP, ESP, EPP, and TLE performance tasks are scheduled on weeks 1 and 4. English and Filipino performance tasks are scheduled on weeks 2 and 5. Math and Science performance tasks are scheduled on weeks 3 and 6. MAPE subject will have 1 performance task for each subject area per quarter. On behalf of the school management, faculty and staff, and the rest of the team, we thank you for choosing Baguio Multicultural Institute, the home of happy and better learners.